ago when we had our back deck built and a pergola built on top, and it really gave me an appreciation for what a construction company can do for you without it appearing to be like a chore. Well, the guys came out, the foreman in charge just supervised everyone. The guys came out, did their thing every day, built the deck. It was beautiful. They kept me apprised as they went along each day, you know, what we're gonna do tomorrow, and we'll be back at so-and-so time. I didn't have to think about it. Then, a couple of months ago, I had an urgent need for a ramp for the front. And I said, oh my word, who am I going to call for this? I don't know of any people that can build a ramp. First company that came to mind was Archadeck, and I said, you know what, let me just take a chance and call them. The owner is 𝐸𝐿. He came out, took a look at everything, said, we can have this done for you. And what a relief. In a time when you need a ramp, you know that it's an emergency, medical emergency at that. And you know, that's the last thing you want to be thinking of, is how am I going to get this ramp built, you know, in time. But Greg took care of everything, came out, had the guys come. I got back home, and within a couple of days the ramp was built. And they gave me the option of having it built with the materials that actually match my back deck. So not only is it a great structure and it serves the purpose, but it also aesthetically it looks great. The team just couldn't be happier with their work, and they take pride in what they do. They're responsible, and I can just say that you won't be sorry if you call Archadeck for whatever you need built.